Ubuntu 26.04 versus Fedora 44. Choosing the right Linux distro can completely change how you experience stability and cutting-edge features without sacrificing performance. Both offer unique benefits for different types of users and workflows. Ubuntu 26.04 and Fedora 44 are two popular Linux distributions. Ubuntu focuses on long-term stability and ease of use, while Fedora emphasizes the latest technologies and innovation. This core difference shapes how each performs and serves its community. Ubuntu 26.04 is the latest long-term support release from Canonical, designed for users who prioritize stability and reliability. It is built on a solid Debian base featuring a polished GNOME desktop environment enhanced by the latest usability improvements from the Ubuntu team. Ubuntu uses a predictable 6-month release cycle with 5 years of support, making it ideal for professionals, developers, and enterprises seeking consistent performance over time. Its extensive software repositories and snap package support offer easy access to a wide range of applications. Ubuntu excels in hardware compatibility and offers straightforward installation and configuration, making it beginner-friendly. However, it may lag behind Fedora in adopting the newest Linux innovations and cutting-edge software versions. Users who prefer a stable environment with long-term updates and strong community support will find Ubuntu 26.04 well-suited to their needs. Fedora 44 is a community-driven Linux distribution sponsored by Red Hat, known for integrating the latest open-source technologies quickly. It features GNOME 44 with fresh design updates and improvements in performance and usability. Fedora's rapid 6-month release cycle ensures users have access to the newest software, kernel versions, and development tools. This makes it an excellent choice for developers, Linux enthusiasts, and those who want to experiment with bleeding-edge features. Fedora emphasizes free and open source software with strict policies against proprietary drivers by default, which can sometimes limit hardware compatibility out of the box. Its modular approach allows users to customize their system with different desktop environments and software stacks. While Fedora offers a more cutting-edge experience, it provides only 13 months of support per release, requiring more frequent upgrades. Users who value innovation, early access to new technologies, and a strong focus on open source principles will appreciate Fedora 44's approach. Ubuntu 26.04 and Fedora 44 cater to different priorities. Ubuntu offers a stable, long-term supported environment, making it ideal for users who want a dependable system for work or daily use without frequent upgrades. Its broad hardware support and ease of use appeal to newcomers and enterprise users. Fedora, on the other hand, provides the latest software and kernel improvements, perfect for developers and enthusiasts who want to stay on the forefront of Linux innovation. However, Fedora's shorter support cycle means more frequent updates and potential instability with newer features. In real-world terms, Ubuntu is better suited for production environments and users valuing stability, while Fedora is a playground for testing new technologies and rapid development. The trade-off is between long-term reliability and cutting-edge advancement. Choose Ubuntu 26.04 if you need a stable, user-friendly Linux distro with long-term support and wide hardware compatibility for professional or everyday use. Opt for Fedora 44 if you want the latest Linux features and software. With a focus on open source purity and innovation, it's perfect for developers and enthusiasts who don't mind upgrading often to stay ahead in technology.